Whether it's fear, confidentiality, time, cost, or just a question about a procedure or a particular issue, Abilene Dental has the solution. Joining us now to talk about how they come up with each solution to every single one of your possible problems is Abilene Dental's Dr. Christy Leedy. Thank you. Always a pleasure to have you here. Okay, every problem, there's a solution. How can you guarantee that?
That's exactly right. You know, we went through staff meeting and just went through all the concerns that patients seem to have. And then, interestingly enough, when we put it with the research, it's the same things that keep people away from the dentist. And so, you know, of course, fear. Even in 2012, that is a big issue with people going to the dentist.
Why do you think they're so afraid?
You know,
because you don't seem very scary.
Oh, good, thank you. A lot of it has to do with childhood experiences or stories they've heard from other people that just get bigger than life. You know, now so many of the younger people have had good experiences, so you know that works to their advantage. But boy, people my age that had bad experiences as a child, it can really affect them. It's hard to get it out of their head and into the chair, you know.
What are some ways you combat that?
One of the big ways is just, again, environment, being more aware of those things and talking to people about it, and also then comfortable private suites where, you know, you're not afraid to say that you're afraid. Sedation. We do a lot of oral sedation where people can relax and sleep while they're having their dentistry done, and especially if you have high anxiety about that, it can make such a big difference in being able to get through that appointment. Once you've had a couple of great appointments that you really sleep through and don't remember, then you know you're not so afraid anymore. And then you start with the little things. It's when the little things get big that the fear gets bigger also, so catching them when they're small.
What are some of the other big concerns that people normally have?
Confidentiality is one, you know, because a lot of people are embarrassed about their teeth and they don't want people to know, you know, with a situation they've gotten into. You'll see people do this or not smile, and so by virtue of the fact that we can get them in a treatment room where it's private and really look at those things and give them solutions, make a big difference in, and also confidentiality in the insurance, the payments, all of those kind of things, because that's important too.
All right, and pretty much the way it goes is any question they have, they can get in contact with you guys and you'll answer it for them. Your staff has always been very friendly when it comes to that kind of thing.
I'm very lucky to have them, yes.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Dr. Christy. Again, always a pleasure to have you here. So if you have a question about anything she's mentioned or maybe something she hasn't, just make your appointment at Abilene Dental today. Call the number on your screen or head into their offices off Buffalo Gap Road. Don't forget to check them out on Facebook and, of course, follow them on Twitter for more healthy living advice. Head to bigcountryhomepage.com/KTAB for you.